And we're gonna show you guys how you
shake the Paw Paws.
Shake the Paw Paws. Oh, let me get out of the way. Oh, there's two. That one there's already been.
Yeah, that one fell.
Look at that one there has been eaten on.
Yep. Ooh, that's a good one. This is a really good one.
The tree I was wanting you to.
This one's full.
Oh, let me get out of the way. Hold on, let me get. Oh, there's a nice one right there. Oh. Nope.
Nope, they're not ready. Oh dear, something's been eaten on that.
Because you can see them right up there. Right there they are. Can you get to this tree or no? No.
Which one?
This tree right here.
I don't think I can.
All right.
There's too much wood
Well,
around it.
I don't know.
There's one right in front of you, though.
I don't know if there's any in this one here, but I'm gonna shake it. I just hope I don't get hit in the head with any.
I just heard one fall.
Nope. That was a stick. Ooh, there's some in this one. Is it gonna fall out? Is it gonna fall? You see it up there, guys? See if it's gonna fall. Oh, there it went. Oh, that's a small one too. We're gonna cut him. Oh, that one there's a soft one. We're gonna cut this small one up right now. This little one right here, this double knotted one like. I wanna cut it. Let you guys see what it looks like on the inside real quick.
I got a nice one right here.
Here, give me. Ooh, that one there's. Oh, here, take camera. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna show them what they look like.
The small one. One
This
of them.
one.
Oh, there's one over here that broke up in half, but it's hard. It's not. You can't.
This one
eat
here
it.
is soft.
Okay.
When you do it, just take and cut the top off. That's what I do. And you take and cut them. See how soft that is?
Paw Paws. Mmm. Can't wait to bite into that thing.
Mm.
Is it good?
Oh, good God, yes. Mm.
Yeah, back up.
Tastes like banana custard.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Spit the seeds out. There you go. See, there's the seeds if you want to grow a pawpaw tree.
Mm-hmm.
They say they take forever to germinate, though. They're like 2 months in the bucket. After you plant them, you just shove them down in the thing.
Still spitting out seeds.
Mm.
That's perfect.
It's in between a pear and a banana.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. If you get closer to the rind, it's more like a pear, but in the inside of it, it's more like a banana. That's good.
Okay, everybody, so you're probably wondering, what's all these little green things? Well, and what's all these ingredients? What's that baby food? Well, that's not baby food. These here are Paw Paws. And we are at the most northern part of the region where these here grow. They really grow a lot more down in the southern region. And by this time, you've already seen us picking them. So today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making some Paw Paw Bread. Indiana Paw Paw Bread. That's the recipe. And everything that you need, I've already got prepared. I do have my ingredients list. I will be taking a picture of this here and putting it up at the end of the video. That way you guys can see it and get the recipe. And if you like the recipe sent to you through an email or Facebook Messenger, you can just Facebook message me, or you can email me at venturesintheheartland@yahoo.com, and I will send you the recipe or any other recipes that you like that we've done. But what you're going to need, I'm making 2 batches, so everything I got here is doubled. You're going to need a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half cup butter, room temperature, teaspoon of vanilla. That's the vanilla we're using right there. Half a cup of sour cream, 1.5 cups of flour, teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to need 3/4 cup of Paw Paw and 1/4 cup of banana, but we're going to be using just all Paw Paws. We're not using any bananas. I'd rather just have the Paw Paw flavor instead of having banana flavor in with it, because Paw Paws kind of taste like bananas in a way. And you also need a half a cup of walnuts chopped up. I'm not putting walnuts in there because I don't have them, and I really rather have it without it. But we're going to get all these things here mixed up, and I'll show you guys me doing that. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start mixing up my ingredients. It says you want to cream your butter, your sugar, eggs, sour cream, and vanilla with an electric mixer, which I got right here. And it's going to be loud, so I'm going to go ahead and just put music to this part and hope you enjoy. And get it in the oven, and we'll let you guys see what it looks like when we're done. Now let's check this bread and see if it's done. See if it's done. Best way to do it, put a knife in it. It was done. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing come out. That one's done. That one's done. Look at that. They're both done. Ooh, don't they look so good? Look at this. I gotta take it out just to show it to you. Look at that. Holy mackerel. Look at that. This one here, I went ahead and sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon sugar on it about 10 minutes before it was done. This one here I left plain. Now they're just come out of the oven, so we're going to let them cool off, and then we're going to come back and try them for you guys and let you know how they are. Now guys, the bread is done.
Yep.
Here's what she looks like. We're going to give it a taste.
Good.
Looks good. Whatever piece you want.
Take that one.
And I'll take this one. There's the inside of it.
That's good.
Looks good. Looks like it's got like little pieces of Paw Paw in it too. This one here, I put a little bit of
cinnamon sugar on top.
Cinnamon sugar on top of it.
Uh-huh.
Still a little warm.
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it?
Nice and moist.
Crumbs all over the place.
That's good.
That is good. Different.
Mm-hmm.
It almost looks like it's got a pink inside to it. It's good. Get off the dang cat. Jeez.
Totally. That's good.
That's good bread.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. See, it looks like it's got a little bit of a pink in it. I don't know if you can tell that or not. I can see it. I don't know what the pink would be from. Don't know. I don't know. It's pretty darn good.
Cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Cinnamon will turn a little pinkish color.
Yeah. Maybe. Could be the vanilla too.
Mm-hmm. Good.
I used our Mexican vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Well, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share us out so that people can see how to make Paw Paw Bread. Indiana Paw Paw Bread.
Yep.
And subscribe to our channel if you ain't already. And thanks for watching.